Hey, it's Marco, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to block fake calls on your iPhone. So what you want to do is go to settings, and before you continue, please subscribe to the channel, it helps out a lot. And then what you want to do is scroll down until you see phone, and from here scroll down and you see silence unknown callers. So basically turn this on and calls from unknown numbers will be silenced, set to voicemail and displayed on the recent list. Basically, they won't be able to contact you. Another way to do it is to go to focus and create your own focus mode. So for example, as you can see here, I have people none allowed, so that means nobody from my contacts, favorites, etc. can't reach out to me. And same for the apps. I won't get any notifications from the apps. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.